Morning, welcome to
FunMath number 189.
FunMath number 189. So we had an interesting AMC8 problem this morning. It was from the 1994 AMC8, I think it was problem number 17. And it was talking about somebody shoveling snow, and what you had to do is 20 plus 19 plus 18 plus dot 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 down to whatever x was, might be 12, 11, 10, whatever, wherever you stop. And when is that greater than, in the problem it was greater than 120. So we'll do problem, when does that get greater than 130? Actually, the problem wasn't greater than 120, it was as close to 120.
Yeah,
right?
as close as you can get.
Okay, so let's talk about how to approach a problem like this. What's one way to do it?
Well, you could do like just 20 plus 19, 20 plus 19 plus 18, etc.
Okay, so you could make a chart.
Yeah.
And then just start adding up. But that might take a long time. What's another way to start? What was the way you did in the problem? Because that was actually really good.
6 times 20 is 120.
Okay, 6 times 20 is 120.
But we need a little bit more.
We want to be greater than 130,
so 7 times 20.
Okay, so 7 times 20 is greater than 130. So adding 7 of these numbers together might be a real good place to start.
Sure.
Okay, so what would it be? You write it out. What would the first 7 be? I'll give you a blank sheet of paper here.
Well, 20 plus 19. It's a little bit hard to write.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, you're not usually you're on the wrong side of the tripod.
17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14.
Okay, count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so there we go. That's 7. So we're trying to get greater than 130. So this is a good first guess, because if they were all 20s, we would get to 140. So maybe this is good enough. So how would you like to add these up? What would you do?
Well, it's 20 times 7 minus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4.
I'm not sure. I see what you're doing. Why is it 20 times 7 minus 9?
Well, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is... Oh, wait, no. Wrong. Not right. This isn't right. Well, we could add the 10s up first. It's 10 times 6 plus 20.
Okay.
So it's 80.
Alright, so that's just adding 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, okay?
And then 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9.
Okay.
Well, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. And 30 plus 9 is 39.
Okay.
80 plus 39, this is 129.
Okay.
I mean 119.
Alright, so 20 plus 19 plus 18 plus 17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14 is 119. By coincidence, that's actually the same sum we had to do in the problem.
Yeah.
Okay. But so does that get us greater than 130?
Not yet.
Okay.
Let's add 13.
Alright, so what's that going to be? How are you going to add that up?
We can just tack this onto the sum.
Ah, you can just tack it onto the sum.
And this is 132.
132. Okay. Good job. Good job. I've never even checked if this is on camera, but it is good. Okay, and so the one other way, and I think this is what you were trying to say when you were doing this, 20 plus 19 plus 18 plus 17 plus 16 plus 15 plus 14 plus 13, one way we could add that up is we could say this is 20 plus 20 minus 1 plus 20 minus 2, that'd be the 18, yeah. Plus down, and what's 13 equal to?
13 is 20 minus 7.
20 minus 7. So this is, how many numbers do I have here from 20 down to 13?
Well, you got...
How many numbers do I have?
You have 8 numbers.
Okay, so this is equal to 160, which is the 8 20s, minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So it's 160 minus whatever this sum is. And what's, do you know what 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is?
Well, up to 5 is 15.
Up to 5 is 15.
And 21, 28. 7 up to 7 is 28.
Okay, so we get 160 minus 28. And what's that?
That is 132.
132, just like we got before. There's lots of different ways to do this, but that's kind of a fun problem. This is, we've learned a lot of things about how to add long lists of numbers up.
Yeah.
Like write it backwards and then
Yeah,
take
but
half
this
of
isn't
it.
long.
This isn't that long, and in fact, so in this one you can just add if you want. Anyway, okay, cool. Good work this morning, sweetie. Good work.